Experience our Niagara Falls luxury private tours.
Enjoy personalized pickups from Toronto, Brampton, Mississauga, Oakville, Milton, Hamilton, Burlington, Richmond Hill, or Niagara-on-the-Lake.
Travel in luxury vehicles for a seamless and unforgettable adventure. Arrive at the stunning Canadian side of Niagara Falls and board the thrilling Voyage to the Falls cruise, where mist and the roar of the waters create an unforgettable experience. After the cruise, explore Clifton Hill and Niagara Parkway at your own pace.
Enjoy a leisurely lunch while taking in the stunning views and vibrant atmosphere of Niagara Falls. The journey follows the Niagara River's powerful currents to the Whirlpool Rapids, then explores historic sites like Niagara-on-the-Lake, the Floral Clock, and the monumental Queenston Heights. No tour is complete without a visit to one of the region's renowned wineries.
Delight in a curated winery tour, where you can taste exquisite local wines in the heart of Ontario's wine country. Elevate your experience with a meal at the Skylon Tower's revolving dining room, where every bite is accompanied by panoramic views that sweep the landscape of the falls and beyond. As your day ends, enjoy a comfortable return.
Book your private tour now for an unforgettable Niagara Falls experience. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Happy travels!